All right, guys, let's jump right on in. This is my stand store, obviously. This is the many products that I have on my stand store, and this is the mobile version. This is what you see when you click on the links from social media bios and things like that. This goes along with my booked and paid branding colors, which are green, gold, and white. This is my stand store. This is everything that I have on it. And at the bottom here, I have some things that are in drafts that are not public. And so if we want to add a product, we are going to make sure that we are on the My Store tab over here. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and add a product. So these are the many products that you can add. If you would like to create a freebie to collect emails and to build your clientele and to nurture your audience and your clients or your students through email, this is what you're going to create first, which is your freebie. And that is obviously a free product so that they can download it. You collect their email, and then on, you can nurture them and send them updates about anything that you have going on, whether you just dropped a new YouTube video or you have a new product coming out, a sale going on. Then you can do coaching calls. Whatever you want to teach or you want to have one-on-one coaching calls, you can set that up here as well. If you want to create a course, you can do that as well. I do have a course, and that is here in the community tab. That is actually under construction right now. I'm trying to update it and revamp. But if you would like to do a webinar, if you want to do group coaching, you can also set that up in here, and everything will link to either your Zoom or your Google Meet account. And if you want to add your social media, your YouTube, your Instagram, you can do all of that here to get more visibility on your socials. Digital products, PDFs, guides, templates, exclusive content, and ebooks. So if you've created a digital product, this is what you're going to click on to add that down there. Custom products, ask me anything, requests, audits, analysts, like it goes on and on. You can have a reoccurring membership. That's where they will pay subscriptions, a monthly subscription. Community is here, just like the booked and paid community, and also Stan affiliate. Okay, let's do a paid product. This is the free one, and this is a paid. So let's do a paid product, and we're gonna click that. And if you see up here, it says thumbnail, checkout, and options. Okay, so call out is already selected, which is what this will look like on their phone. This is a call out, and if you select button, this is what it'll look like on the mobile version. And you can preview it and it'll look like that. I personally have a mixture of both callouts and the button, but that's what that means, and that's how it will look, okay? So let's go down to selecting an image of what your product is or looks like. So they have images that you can choose from, and you can search as well. So if this is an ebook, you can search ebook, and it will have some cover photos for you. It has plenty, but if you have made an ebook cover, you can add in your own image as well. Let's see what it looks like when we upload our own image, and it gives you the option for your photo library, take a photo, or your files. Let's just say I want to use this, for example. This was, I think, like 2 mornings ago. The sky was so pretty. We're just going to use this as an example, but if you have created your own cover photo, you can place that right in here, and you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, and I'm just doing that with my fingers. And then you will select use this photo, and we're going to do that, and it will pop up and look like that, and it changes on the mobile version too, right over here. Then we're going to choose a title for our ebook, in which the title is right here. So this will be the first thing that they see. Now we have the title, and it is changed over here. So you have your picture and the title of your ebook and the price there. We can change the price, and we'll do that here in a minute. Let's click the next button, which will take you to the checkout page. And remember, this is the mobile version of what they will see on their phones. And again, you can choose a different picture for this, or you can choose the same picture. And because this is a journal that we've just come up with, let's see what they have as far as journals. We can pick from one of these. A journal. I like this. I like this one with the handwriting in a journal. I think that is really cute. So I just made it smaller to fit in this rectangle box, because that is what they will be able to see. So you want to make sure your image fits in the rectangle box. And we're going to hit use this photo, and it will change and update over there. And as you can see over here, this is exactly what it looks like. Motivational journal, somebody writing. And down here on step 2, The title is blurred out because you have already done that. Now here is your description of your book. Here is where you're going to let them know what they are getting inside of the book. You can keep the text here just as is and change it to your liking, or you can delete it and add pictures or headings or anything like that. So let's just say this, we'll take this out. This will teach you everything you need to achieve your goals. Let's just take that out and say, this will teach you everything you need to achieve or to stay motivated. To stay motivated, okay? We'll leave that there, and it says this guide, but if it's not a guide, it is a journal, right? So we're gonna change that. This journal is for you if you are looking for stay motivated, use scriptures to help keep you in alignment, daily affirmations, and ultimately be happy, because that's what we want to do, right? So that's just a quick description of what you will get inside of this guide. And remember, you guys, this is just an example. So here where it says the button, that's what we chose instead of the call out. We chose a button. And here, if you look right here, it says get my guide. And down here where it says the call to action button, which is the button that they are going to click to purchase. And that is the green button down here. You can leave it as purchase, or you can say purchase now, or anything else you would like to put down there. Let's just say you want to keep it at $9.99, but you want to make it seem like it is on sale, correct? Right here, it says that it's $9.99, but we are going to hit this discount price, right? And over here where it says the actual price, we're going to put $20. The discount price, we are going to put $9.99. So now over here, you can see that it was $20 and now it is $9.99, giving them a sense of urgency to buy now, just in case it goes back up to that $20. And these options right here, like the discount code, I believe that comes with the $9.99 plan. I'm just going over the basic $29.99 plan because I have the $99.99 plan. So I am able to put a discount code for someone. I can put certain words. If I have my YouTubers or my Instagram people, if I want them to put free, the word free, to get, let's say, 5% off, I can put that there. And whenever they put in the word free at checkout, they will be able to get a discount of 5%. Okay, and that's here and that's there. But I believe with the $29.99 plan, you are not able to do that, okay? Collecting the info is over here, and it will ask for their name and their email and apply discount code, right? So it has the option here so that they can get their discount before they check out here at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. You will upload your product here, and this is the most important part, a redirect URL. That means you can add a link from maybe a Canva product. You can just go ahead and copy and paste the Canva link in the redirect box here, and you would just copy the link and put it there, and the product name will come up there, and then you can hit publish. If you don't want to do that, you can do upload file, click upload. You can go to your files, and just for this video, I'm just going to hit this 2024 acting resume just because it is a quick file I can add, and you will click open and put it there, and then the name of the file automatically comes up here, and then you will hit publish, and that's it. It's on your store. So I'm going to hit publish really quick, and we're going to go back to the store, right? And then let's look over here on the mobile version, and boom, there it is. The motivational journal is right here for $9.99. And remember, we used the button and not a call out. So this YouTube is a call out and this is a button. If we were to change that, if you want to see what it looks like as a call out and not a button, we'll just click these three dots over here and edit product. And let's change this to a call out. Then we will go down to the bottom, hit publish. Make sure you hit publish so that it is saved. And let's look over here on the mobile version, and there it is, the call out. This is what it looks like. You can change this text here, but the Stand Store default will let them know that this download will go straight to their email inbox, okay? But you can put, this is the best journal, great for beginners, or whatever your product is, you can add a subtitle here. So now that you're ready to start promoting, your product is done. It is live on your Stand store, you can click the three dots here and hit copy URL. It is copied, and then you can go to your YouTube description or your Instagram bios and add your link in there and start promoting and get sales right away. And this will come straight to your Stand store. You can cash out every day, and there is no fee. The only fee is your monthly subscription. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how to upload a digital product to your Stand store. If you would like to go further into anything else, building a community or setting up some coaching calls, affiliates, email flows, and blast emails, sending them out to your clients, we can do that too. Just let me know. I definitely understand how it is setting this up by yourself. You can definitely book a call with me and I can walk you step by step on setting up your Stand store, guiding you through every step of the way. Please comment down below. If you are not a Stand store creator right now, I definitely think that you should. This platform has everything all in one. So click the 14-day free trial down in the description. Let me know if you guys need anything else. That is a wrap for the C set today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.